Well, good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel, Motorhoming Fun. We're still on day 2 guys, glorious weather at the moment. It's in the late 20s, I think about 28 at the moment, so we're still on day 2 as I say, and we're going to have a little wander down to the beach this afternoon. We're going down to EP, I think it's called EYPE. So we're going to head down there, let Sky just have a little play session this afternoon in the water, cool her down. Won't be me going in there guys, I don't do water, so yeah, it should be a fun afternoon on the beach. So we'll just spin you around and show you what's about. And there we go guys, there's the view we got at the moment. See if we can get the drone up once again. We've already had a few flights while we've been here guys, so yeah, go back and take a quick look at those guys. They're pretty good if I do say so myself. So it's a little bit of a steep incline, I'm also coming back up. As I say, tomorrow hopefully going to do the big hill in front of us over to Seatown. If you want to go and see the vlog from last time, go and check that out. It's probably about 2 years ago, so go through the old video history. So just for the record, you're probably about 10 minutes from the campsite down to here. As I say, it's a little bit shingly, the beach, if I remember right guys, so it's not pure sand. And then there are a few steps to get down onto the beach. So this is the way down. It's not a great access if you're disabled. As you can see, it's rather breezy. I think the sun has brought everybody out this weekend. Feet got wind then.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. Leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking. Wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been
Let's just have a look
broken.
round.
Take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. The sky sometimes hides behind the clouds. Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Undressed when it's cold, and don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes? Until winter comes? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark. So far away, show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. Makes me wonder. Never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
Right, it's a little bit quieter this end, so we might get the old Mini 3 Pro up. It's a little bit of a flight.
Thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from. Was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was
Right,
made to be
the end of the
free.
beach.
I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. That's my choice. What I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me. Cause I was made to be free. Cause I was made to be free. Cause I was made to be free. I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's raining down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't wanna face it. You think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you let
Right, we're going to head off the beach shortly.
turn the
A lot of people around this end, so
burn it.
we'll cut the filming for now and just
Let's make
come back to you on the
bonfire
final approach back.
on the beach with the stars as our lighter.
Right, this guy's taking me up the mud bank. Thankfully it's dry. Right, we made it. Right, welcome back everybody. We made it to the top. Well, that was tiring, that was, getting back up that hill. This heat certainly doesn't help, so yeah, I'll be personally glad when this little heat wave is finished, beginning of next week, and we can get back to normal conditions. Oh, still puffing out of breath now. Anyway, hope you enjoyed our little beach walk this afternoon with me and Sky. We'll get the drone footage up as well at some point, so not too sure what that looked like. It was a bit of a job to see the screen in the sun, and there was a lot of people far into the beach, so I was being ultra careful, but hey ho, I'm sure it'll look good in places, guys. So thanks again, and we'll see you on tomorrow's big walk over the big hill in front of us to Seatown, hopefully. So we'll see you on day 3 tomorrow. Bye for now.